50 subscribers text on screen. Wow, we did it! Our channel has just reached 50 amazing subscribers, and it's all thanks to you. This community is growing because you believe in one simple idea: making MBA case studies easy to understand. Our promise is to keep breaking down complex strategies into simple, engaging stories you can learn from and use. We started this journey with a vision to demystify the often intimidating world of MBA case studies, and with your support and enthusiasm, we've taken wonderful first steps. Your feedback and engagement fuel us to explore further, to delve deeper, and to explain clearer. We are truly grateful for this incredible community. It's not just about numbers. It's about building a space where learning is fun, accessible, and rewarding. Every time you click on a video, comment your thoughts, or share it with a friend, you're contributing to this vision. You're helping us weave a network of knowledge that can be reached by anyone, anywhere. As we celebrate this milestone, we're curious to hear from you. Which case study should we simplify next? Is there a particular company, strategy, or industry you've been curious about? Drop your ideas in the comments. Your suggestions guide us and ensure we're delivering what matters most to you. And if you're new here, welcome. We'd love for you to join our growing family. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the exciting content we have lined up. Together, let's explore and understand the frameworks that shape businesses worldwide. Stay with us as we continue unraveling the secrets of successful business strategies. Let's keep learning and growing together. As always, thank you for being part of this journey. Here's to many more milestones. Once again, a heartfelt thank you for your support. And until next time, keep curious, stay inspired, and always be ready to learn something new. Cheers to all of you.